Okay. And some other things we did with the butt spin, we're pulling in, go around there. You can fold it off and go again. Another thing you can do is cross the ankles here and sweep up, or sweep out rather, to get up. Something like that. We also played with this all the way to the side so that the knee fell as you did the transfer. Do this guy. Woo. You go under it, scoop, scoop, scoop. Also just holding it here and dipping it down is a bit of an easier way to do that. Back to this guy. I know it's a bit all over the map. Connecting with it with a press down to the ground, or a fold and swivel, or a swivel and fold to change directions, which you're going to need if your feet are in the wrong spot. So here I might need to be like, okay, fold and swivel, and then my feet can twist properly. Sending it in a big twist. Okay. Some other things we did were, oh God, how did it all combine? We played a little bit with just thinking about the center staircase. So this could be the center of the staircase. The head is leaning over it, and on that way, or going backwards. Maybe this is our pivot point. Maybe this is our pivot point. This one, this one, this one, this one. When you're getting down to the floor, your face is to the side. You look down like an airplane. It comes in, and then the head can go up. So it's a big 8. Face, ponytail. Face, ponytail. Yeah. Down.